So one of the key features of buying a laptop equipped with an i7 9750HS, you don't need a room heater in winters because it's
Hot damn!
So this tutorial is not for a specific brand of laptop or some specifications, but this is a universal tutorial. So if you got a i7 9750H on your laptop and it's overheating, or you just want to reduce your temperature, so please follow the steps on the goddamn screen.
All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
So I will be performing this experiment on my Predator Helios 300, and if you guys have this, man, you have a good choice. And by the way, just so you know, I was getting approximately 50 FPS in Red Dead Redemption 2 before underclocking, and after underclocking I am getting approximately 60 FPS. But yeah, I have my own settings, it may differ for you. And yeah, the temperature after underclocking, it's significantly decreased because I was getting idle temperature at around 70 degrees without cool boost or fan boost, and 92 degrees while gaming Red Dead Redemption 2. It was running hot, but after underclocking, it reduced to approximately 80 degrees while gaming, and 12 degrees while gaming. Yep, it's fantastic. Yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's head on to the tutorial. Download the software from the link below, extract it and open the main software. It will treat you with some warning signs, and click on OK. Now you have to tick the speed shift EPP and set its value as 0, and untick ED Rockout. In some system it is already ticked, and click on save. Now open FIVR and change some values, and now we will change the turbo ratio limit for the one core active to 34. In many systems it is around 40, but change it to 34. Now we will click on CPU core, and we will click on unlock adjustable voltage, and in voltage section, in offset voltage section, we will click on 250 millivolt and underclock it by -125. Just please follow on screen instructions, it's pretty important. And after that we will click on apply, then we will click on CPU cache, and we will do the same thing, 125, and then click on OK, apply, and keep in mind to tick the bottom right option, OK save voltage immediately. Don't forget that. After applying all these settings, you should be back to the main menu. Click on TPL, and the top two values, you have to change the values to 24 and change the maximum value to 34 because we have set the active cores to 34. So follow the steps, and after that just click OK or apply and OK, and you should be good to go. Just have a spin drive of your game, and if you are satisfied with the performance, you can always click on options, start when the desktop starts, and close as minimize. Follow the on-screen instruction, and if you are not satisfied with the performance, you can go and search for your specific underclocking voltage for your laptop, but this voltage is universal. And by any chance, which is 0.1% chances that you are gonna get into trouble, which will be not really big of a trouble, all you have to do is restart your PC and everything will be fine. But yeah, take a test drive before making this app start on startup. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Every comment is appreciable. Any doubts, I will try my level best to solve that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for my next one.